So today, we're going to tackle a question that's been on every creator's mind. How do you keep your audience hooked from start to finish in your travel vlogs or travel videos? Well, buckle up because today I've got some answers and it's a game changer. It all comes down to one word: conflict. Right now. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Conflict in a vlog? Absolutely. It's not about drama for drama's sake. It's about creating an engaging storytelling that keeps your viewers glued to the screen. Imagine this, you're out exploring a new city, camera in hand, ready to capture that moment. But what's going to make your viewers stick around for the entire journey? Conflict. Yeah, you heard me right. Conflict. Take for example a travel vlog. You and your buddy are on a mission to find the best food in town. But guess what? There are obstacles at every turn. Maybe it's the language barrier, the unpredictable weather, or simply getting lost in the maze of streets. But here's the magic ingredient: conflict. It's what turns a simple quest for food into an epic adventure. And it's not just about facing external challenges. Conflict can also come from within. Maybe you and your travel buddy have different motivations. You're in it for the culinary experience while they're on a mission to find a perfect souvenir. That is a conflict right there. These conflicting desires add depth to your story and keep your audience invested in the outcome. But here's the kicker. Conflict isn't just reserved for action-packed moments. Even the simplest interactions can spark tension and intrigue. Whether it's a heated debate over the best food spot or the race against time to beat the sunset, conflict drives the narrative forward and keeps your viewers on the edge of their seats. So there you have it, folks. The secret ingredient to crafting compelling vlogs and travel videos: conflict. Embrace the challenges, lean into the tension, and watch your audience hangs on every word, every frame. Until the next time, keep creating. Let's all learn, create, and share. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.